Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. I'm your friend and your host. So today's video will be in English because I keep getting queries that I should share more information to avoid the language barrier. So I hope you will understand my English and I will try to incorporate some Hindi words also. तो आशा करती हूँ कि आप सब सही होंगे. Today's video I am going to talk about Vietnam. Yes, the ultimate tourist destination for Indian travelers in 2025. And why? Because to Vietnam, why Vietnam is becoming so famous in Indian travelers? Because it's very affordable. The visa process is very easy. There are so many flights from India to Vietnam, very frequent flights. Okay. Whether you are looking for a cultural trip, your honeymoon, your friend's trip, your bachelorette, for anything, Vietnam has something for everyone. So in today's video, I will be giving an insight of overall Vietnam, this thing. So we will be starting with the top most tourist places in Vietnam that you must visit. Then I will be sharing about the safety insights for Vietnam, if it's safe for solo travel and all. Then I will be sharing some vegetarian options since I keep getting a lot of questions about vegetarian food options in Vietnam. So I will give a small insight for the vegetarian options also. In the last, okay, before that I will also share some budget distribution, how you can spend your budget. It's a very budget friendly, very affordable country. Vietnam is very affordable country, which is why we love it. Okay, so I will be sharing an insight of budget distribution in this video. In the last, I will be share the most important thing is e-visa application guide, in which if you have a single name, if you don't have a surname, you can just apply visa in like 5 minutes with your passport and photo. You don't need to worry, you will be getting visa in like 3 to 5 days maximum. So I will be sharing the e-visa in the last. So watch the video till the end so you don't miss out on anything. So let's start. Top 10 tourist destinations in Vietnam. Number 1 is Ha Long Bay. Take a luxury cruise through emerald waters and limestone islands. Number 2 is Mekong Delta. Take a boat ride through floating markets and traditional villages. Number 3 is Hanoi Old Quarter. Experience Vietnamese culture, ancient temples and famous train street. Number 4 is Ho Chi Minh City. Visit the War Remnants Museum and bustling markets in Saigon. Number 5 is Da Nang and Golden Bridge. Walk on the famous Golden Bridge held by giant hands. Number 6 is my favorite, Phu Quoc Island. White sand beaches and luxury resorts perfect for relaxation. Number 7 is Ninh Bình. The Ha Long Bay on land with stunning boat rides through caves is a must-visit place for you in Vietnam. It's beautiful. Number 8 is Bana Hills, a hill station with a European-style amusement park and stunning views. Number 9 is Hoi An Ancient Town. Explore this lantern-lit streets and historical buildings town. Number 10 is Sapa and Rice Terrace. Trek through breathtaking mountain landscape in this beautiful corner. Number 11 is Nha Trang. Nha Trang is well known for its beaches and scuba diving. These top destinations offer something to everyone. If you are a nature lover, if you are a history lover, if you love just food, there will be something for you in Vietnam always. So let's now begin some vegetarian food options in Vietnam. I will specify its city wise and just have a look. Check it out. Let's talk about famous vegetarian food options in Vietnam. There are so many restaurants like Om Ganesh restaurant, Indian restaurant in Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh City. In all of the major cities, there are some Indian restaurant. One of them is Ganesh, where you can find all the Indian foods, including naan, roti, sabzi, noodles. Some of the examples are tandoor also. You can find so many other restaurants in the city. Just find it on Google, and you will be just done like we did in Phu Quoc. है मतलब ऐसा खाना है कि जैसे ना तुम्हें इंडिया में भी ना ऐसा खाना ढूंढने से भी नहीं मिलेगा. ये देखो पनीर देख, ये गोभी देख के तो तुम्हें एकदम, मेरे को तो गोभी बहुत पसंद है. गोभी देख के तुम्हारा बिल्कुल मन कर जाएगा खाने का. देखो कितना टेस्टी बना रखा है यार. ये मुझे वहाँ रोटी भी मिल गई, मुझे यहाँ गार्लिक नान भी मिल गई. और इस जगह का नाम है शेरे पंजाब. देख लो, पहचान लो बाजी को. Other than Indian restaurants and options, you can also find some of the amazing vegetarian soups, salads, amazing vegetarian dishes in the food buffet also. Like we did, we requested our hotel reception and manager for some Indian food options and they did. If you are a vegetarian, you don't need to worry because I am a vegetarian myself. There are plenty of vegetarian options in Vietnam. Also, if you want, you can request at your hotel. If you are going to a good hotel, you can request the manager or the chef that you want something Indian. They might offer it for you, because in my resort, where did I stay, I got some paneer, paratha, chole, rajma, chawal, everything what we requested. So it was good for us. You can also try it out. You can check it out at your hotel. So for vegetarians, it's a green thumbs up. Okay, green flag and thumbs up for all the vegetarians. You will be good in Vietnam. Let's discuss budget distribution for Vietnam. Your flights will be like 15 to 25K from India, different for other countries, and you can live up to 500, 1500. You can find a good hostel. Other than this, your transport and other things will be very cheap. So Vietnam is a budget friendly country. Vietnam is one of the most affordable country in the world, I think. Even luxury travel is much cheaper in Vietnam than USA and Europe. Even it's cheaper than India. If you are planning to go to Goa, I would request rather go to Vietnam. Okay, I love my India. Now let's talk about safety and cleanliness in Vietnam. Vietnam is very safe for travelers, including solo female tourists. Friendly locals and excellent tourism services make it very special. Roads are clean, organized public transport, and scams are minimal compared to other countries. So it's best for you. So Vietnam is one of the safest and cleanest country in Asia, if I be specific. In Asia, it's one of the cleanest and safest country. And just you have to just follow the standard rules and regulations just to be safe. Like we were in Phuket and we were riding a scooter in midnight, like 12 and 1. It was so safe. They said if you lost something, you will be finding it, because it's a very small village, so nobody. Okay, now coming to the Vietnam e-visa. I have made so many videos on Vietnam e-visa. You can check my playlist also, and there are some shorts also. I have shared this process. So this is one of the easiest process. I will just share it in 2 minutes. You can apply Vietnam e-visa in like 5 minutes, and you will be getting it like in 3-4 average 3 days. You will be getting it. If you don't have a surname, if you have a single name, if you have both your name is and given name in the passport, don't worry. Just apply your Vietnam visa like I'm showing in the screen. After this, just apply, pay the fees, and you'll be getting your Vietnam visa. So follow my step-to-step guide for applying Vietnam e-visa in 5 minutes. Let's go. So let's start. Like you can see in the screen, just go to my channel and click on any Vietnam video. You can click on this video also, and straight away go to the description, click on the Vietnam e-visa link, and the website will open. Starting with that, just click on the day, put on the details of your travel, which date you are planning to travel in Vietnam. Okay, what type of visa is a single entry, your nationality, you can put any nationality you are applying from. Here I am adding India. You can put Pakistan, Nepal, or any other country you are applying from. Okay, now you have to put, just scrolling down, now you can see now you can see purpose of travel is tourism, and entry of what, I don't know, I don't have a ticket yet. Okay, you can put this detail. Now you can put your details, given name, I am putting Ritu, and I'm trying to tell this that if you don't have a family name, no give a surname, then you can say no family name given. After that, you can put your date of birth just like it is given in your passport. Just don't forget, just copy and put everything like it is given in your passport, every spelling, every date, everything. Okay, passport number, I am adding passport number here. I have put, I will edit later. Okay, if you want to edit, you can just edit. Now contact details, your email address, your phone number, just keep copying like my screen, and you will be applying visa very easily. I am putting a fake number here because of security reasons. Okay, insurance, if you want to add insurance, you can put yes, and your total will be 50 euro. Okay, but I will not be taking insurance. I will risk my trip, and I will just say, if you take the insurance, your complete peace of mind signal, you can just read out worldwide coverage, all of the things they are offering in your insurance. It's best to take insurance. It's luggage insurance, it's chronic disease, everything you can just read out. Okay, now I'm clicking no. Denial protection is, you can just check out what is denial protection. If your visa gets cancelled, you will be refunded full amount. If you put a yes, you will be paying 9 euro, 10 euro extra, but I am just clicking no here. Now click all the terms and conditions, and then security, I'm not a robot. Now you are going to the next page, which is going to the payment page. Now the payment page is open. Now you can just put directly your card details like it is shown in the screen. Your card number you can put here, your expiration date, your security number, and your country. If from which country you are applying, you can from which country your bank details are, you can just put that country. I am putting India here. If you are applying from Greece, if you are applying from Europe, USA, Pakistan, wherever you are applying from, you can just put that country name and you are good to go. That's a complete guide for your dream Vietnam trip in 2025. I tried covering all the stunning places, safety insights, vegetarian food options, step-to-step guide for your e-visa process. Still, if you have any questions, just drop your question in my comment section, or this is my Instagram channel. You can always visit my profile and share your questions or your queries in my DM. And if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I keep sharing such informative videos on my channel. So enjoy your Vietnam trip and don't forget to tag me in your photo. Bye bye.